On a hot summer day in September, Michael and I decided to hop in his truck because we were going to learn how to wing foil. We would soon find out that there was not only an epically high entry point to get into the sport, but it would also be one of the hardest sports ever for us to master. Well, for me at least.
Before they're gone forever, echoes of memories, I'm not feeling the same. Lost in the secrets, now we're slipping away.
We got a beginner's boat of a board, which felt like it was 250 liters, and after some raw knees and plenty of face plants, we were hooked. And we decided to go all in and invest in the sport with a full Armstrong Foil setup and wing, anticipating that since both of us could surf and snowboard pretty well, that the learning curve would be quick and easy. That would be a hard nope for me, personally. I don't think there's ever been a sport where I've struggled more than this one. And I've always been a fast learner, but I was terrible.
Now you're riding down the highway on a bus, smoking up what's left.
As soon as the wind would lift me, I would go full speed in one direction. And before I could lift out of the water, I would either face plant on a wave or a piece of the reef. When I didn't lift, my knees would rub against the board so much so that they became completely raw, bleeding, which unlocked a new fear. Tony the Tiger, shark. Somehow I found a way to love every minute of it, though.
Walking off as you fade into this earth.
My friend Peyton came out, thought he would show us a thing or two, and it was just about as hard for him, if not worse, so definitely not easy by any stretch, but we all had a blast giving it a shot.
Decision, and the city's burned. Now you're riding down the highway.
See, when I did get up on the board, it was really hard for me to turn, so as I launched out to sea, being at Kanaha, it just happened to be a part of Maui that was always getting tiger shark sightings, chasing turtles, so I was a little paranoid to say the least. Michael, on the other hand, was so determined to do it that he actually started to get it, eventually learning how to go upwind, riding above the water like he was flying, sometimes showing his tips of his foil as he turned through the water. There haven't been too many things in life that I've given up on, but foiling was definitely one of them. That being said, moments like this were absolutely unforgettable. Because this is what living life right looks like. Flying off in the sunset, covered in salt water, leaving all your stresses behind. You can't win them all, but trying something new always comes with perks. For now, I'll stick to surfing, but who knows? Maybe one day I'll give it another shot.
After all you know, it's way too much. Try to block the terror from your heart, churning up your pain, you've had enough.